Inflectional and derivational affixes. Inflectional affixes are a type of morpheme that is added to the end of a word to indicate grammatical information such as tense, number, case, and gender. Unlike derivational affixes, inflectional affixes do not change the basic meaning or part of speech of a word. For example, in the word cats, the suffix s is an inflectional affix that indicates the plural form of the noun cat. Derivational affixes are a type of morpheme that is added to the beginning or end of a word to change its meaning or part of speech. Unlike inflectional affixes, which only indicate grammatical information, derivational affixes can create entirely new words. For example, the prefix un- added to the adjective happy creates the new word unhappy, which has a different meaning and is now an adjective itself. Inflectional and derivational affixes are two types of morphemes that can be added to words to change their meanings or grammatical functions. Similarities. Both types of affixes are used to change the form or function of words. Both types of affixes are considered to be productive, meaning that new words can be created using these affixes. Differences. Inflectional affixes only indicate grammatical information, such as tense, number, case, or gender, while derivational affixes can create entirely new words with different meanings. Inflectional affixes do not change the part of speech of a word, while derivational affixes can change a word from one part of speech to another. Inflectional affixes typically come at the end of a word, while derivational affixes can come at the beginning or end of a word. For example, in the word jumped, the suffix ed is an inflectional affix that indicates past tense, while the prefix un- added to the adjective happy to create the word unhappy is a derivational affix that changes the meaning and part of speech of the original word. Inflectional affixes are morphemes that are added to the end of a word to indicate various grammatical functions, such as tense, number, or degree. Unlike derivational affixes, they do not change the basic meaning or part of speech of a word. Here are some common examples of inflectional affixes in English. S, used to mark plural nouns, e.g. cats, dogs, houses. S, used to mark plural nouns that end in s, sh, ch, x, or z, e.g. buses, dishes, churches, boxes, buzzes. Ed, used to mark regular past tense verbs, e.g. walked, talked, played. Ing, used to mark present participle verbs, e.g. walking, talking, playing. En, used to form the past participle of some irregular verbs, e.g. eaten, broken, written. Used to form comparative adjectives, e.g. taller, faster, smarter. Ist, used to form superlative adjectives, e.g. tallest, fastest, smartest. Derivational affixes are morphemes added to the root of a word to create a new word with a different meaning. Unlike inflectional affixes, derivational affixes can change the syntactic category of the root word. Here are some examples of derivational affixes with their meanings and example words. Eyes, to make or become, e.g. modernize, maximize. Ist, a person who practices or is concerned with, e.g. artist, scientist. Ness, state or quality of being, e.g. happiness, kindness. Un-, not, opposite of, e.g. unhappy, unclear. Full, full of, e.g. joyful, helpful. Able, capable of being, e.g. comfortable, responsible. Or, one who, e.g. teacher, actor. meant, act or process of e.g. development, improvement. Ititai, state or quality of being e.g. equality, creativity. En, to cause to be e.g. soften, darken. Choose the correct answer. Which type of affix